Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to unlock your BMW X5. We'll cover using your key fob and the hidden manual key, as well as leveraging the BMW Connected Drive app for remote access. You'll also learn essential emergency, unlocking procedures, and practical tips to prevent future lockouts, ensuring you always have access to your vehicle. To unlock your BMW X5, first try pressing the unlock button on your key fob. If that doesn't work, your key fob might have a dead battery. You can access the hidden physical key blade by pressing a small button on the fob. Insert this key into the driver's side door lock, often behind a small cover, and turn it clockwise to manually unlock the door. For a digital solution, the My BMW app allows you to remotely lock or unlock your vehicle, provided you have an active connected drive subscription. In an emergency, like a dead car battery, you might need to use the physical key to open the door and then access the underhood terminals for a jump start. For more complex situations, contacting BMW Assist or roadside assistance is recommended. To prevent future lockouts, always carry your physical key blade, as it's your reliable backup. Regularly check and replace your key fob battery, typically a CR2032 or CR2450, to ensure consistent remote function. Keep your My BMW app updated and avoid leaving your keys inside the vehicle, especially if you don't have a spare readily available.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.